Hey, Min here. So today is a great, beautiful day and I'm gonna cook some steaks. So I saw this guy on YouTube making marinades for a steak, for a ribeye steak with whiskey. So I'm gonna try it with, they use Jack Daniel, I'm gonna use Westward whiskey and we'll give it a shot. Okay, so I got the ingredients, so let's put together the marinade. First, whiskey. We want 1/4 cup of whiskey. 1/4 cup of whiskey. Okay. We want 1/4 cup of soy sauce. We want 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Two tablespoons of garlic, some salt, some wash. We add some pepper for our taste, and that should be it. All right, so we got a steak, ziplock bag, and our sauce. So put the steak in the ziplock bag and pour in our sauce and zip it up, squeeze out the air, zip it up. There you go. All right, so now let's wait a couple of hours and we can put it on the grill and try it out. Got our marinated steak. So the first thing we want to do is indirect heat and heat it up to 100. And then we'll sear it. All right, it's been a few minutes and let's check out the temperature. And let's see here. Pretty close to, to 100. Yep, 100. So we can move it down to searing. We'll want to sear it down to 127. All right, so now it's 127. We'll take it off and let it rest. Oh, it smells good. All right, let's cut it open and see.
Can you smell the whiskey?
Ooh, look at that.
Nice.
Ah, nice. Let's cut strips. Every one of them is nice. Oh, look at that. Smells really nice. I need a bigger knife.
I'm done. That looks amazing. I love all the burn marks. It looks so good.
Second one, big knife. All right.
I think you need to serve one piece to yourself and eat it and give the verdict.
Oh, well, no. We're gonna serve it to the
Ladies first.
ladies first.
Go for it. I'll take the corner one, so that's less. The corner one for me is fine.
Okay, cut away.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
All right. Okay.
All right.
So let me try it out. You guys try it too.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Cheers. Cheers.
Come in.
Cheers. I'm making with our lovely one. Oh, you go. Look at you. You can't have it, baby.
It's different. It's very tasty, but it's different.
Texture-wise, it's different compared with.
It's a lot different than regular steak.
I like that. The flavoring. Whatever, yeah.
You probably could use cheaper meat and do it this way. Using good meat, I don't think I would do it this way again.
Yeah.
Yeah, because all the flavoring covers up all the natural stuff. But overall, it's pretty successful.
I really like it.
You guys like it?
Yeah,
I like
really
it.
well done.
Okay. Okay. Well, thanks.